Today we are going to prepare chicken biryani in a easy method. 2 kgs of chicken and 6 big onions chopped finely, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons of coriander leaves, mint leaves and green chilli paste. This is the paste of these 3 ingredients, and curd 2 times of this bowl. Now put curd and these 2 paste in the chicken and marinate it for about 2 hours, and deep fry these chopped onions till it's golden brown. Marinate the chicken with curd, ginger garlic paste, and paste of coriander leaves, mint leaves and green chillies. For 2 kgs of chicken we need about 8 to 10 green chillies and a bowl full of coriander leaves and mint leaves. This is how the marinated chicken looks. Chopped onions are fried till they are golden brown. Wash 750 grams of Basmati rice and spread it in a plate, and we will use half. This is 2 kg of marinated chicken. We will use half of it for this 750 grams of rice. This is garam masala, and this is the same bit of grinded garam masala, and this is chopped onion golden brown fried. So now we will start. Put the pressure pan in the gas and put 2 teaspoons of oil in the base. When the oil becomes hot, we will put the garam masala in the oil. Hot now, so we will put this in the hot oil. Spread the chicken on the base of the cooker after putting the the base of the pressure cooker. After the chicken has been spread in the base, we will put the rice over the chicken. This has been spread over the chicken. Now we will put the grinded garam masala over it and taste, and the chopped fried onions over it. This is 4 cups of rice, that is 750 grams. So we will put 8 cups of water over it. After putting 8 cups of water, we will put the pressure pan on high flame and put the lid of the pressure cooker, and when one whistle comes, we will simmer it for 10 minutes, and after that we will put, while garnishing it, we will put ghee over the biryani. Now the biryani is ready. We will put 2 spoonfuls of ghee